severe thunderstorm warning coming soon for Davidson County.
Will WK63 get it?
Cloudy, 70. Springfield, partly sunny, 61. Oklahoma, cloudy, 68.
Come on.
Bedford, Kenning, Coffee, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, Williamson, and
Will KIG7? Will WK63 get it?
I don't know. It just said for Davidson.
Come on, baby.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for weather
How do you know?
conditions and listen for later.
They just tweeted it.
Uh-oh.
Here we go.
Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets for the latest severe weather information.
Dang it, I said only Davidson.
For this afternoon and tonight, strong to severe storms will be possible through early evening hours tonight.
Oh, WMBT.
These two are KIG 79 on the Radio Shacks are on WSK 63.
WMBT.
Or 7 miles west of Nashville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Answer, 60 miles per hour in the gusts. Source.
Alright, I gotta go back to WMBT. Hold on.
Locations affected include Nashville, Madison, Goodlettsville, Bellmead, Berry Hill, Bell's Bend, and Woods Creek. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. In effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee.
Come on, baby.
WMBT time.
WMBT is not loading. Let me try. Come on, hurry up.
WMBT time.
Watch live, please. It's not loading. Is it loading for you?
Squad's on right now.
Here we go.
America's Test Kitchen is brought to you by the following.
America's Test Kitchen is proudly sponsored by Kohler, celebrating 150 years of design and innovation in the kitchen, made for creators like you. Blue Gray European-style butter was created for all chefs, cooks,
Come
and
on,
bakers.
WK. I mean, come on to MBT. Here we go. Woo!
Here we go.
Thank you. Finally. OHX finally issued something.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee until 3:30 p.m.
What is that?
Standard Time.
Memphis?
59 p.m. Central Standard
New
Time.
tornado warning for Memphis.
The thunderstorm was located near Bellmead, or 7 miles west
Mississippi,
of
I mean.
Nashville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Nashville, Madison, Goodlettsville, Bellmead, Berry Hill, Bell's Bend, and Whites Creek. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection,
What is that?
your interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect.
Yeah, I'm still here. Can you hear me?
Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee.
Still there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Hold on. Oh, my mic was muted. Now can you hear me?
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
It's a very sweet dessert. We really want to balance the sweetness by adding this salt to it.
Can you hear me now?
WMBT just went off.
I know.
I
Yeah.
can't.